Opo. Pwede niyo po kaming kwentuhan more about yung Addict the movie?
The Addict the movie, nag-start yan nung when Kevin graduated.
Si Kevin po ay anak niya.
Yeah, Kevin is my
Publisher.
son. He's the second boy. And plus, my husband, yung talagang gusto niya yung mga teleserye, mga ganon. We really admire the TFC ba yun?
Filipino channel.
Yeah, in Canada. So, maliit pa yan sila, parang imagine na namin, maybe one of our son will be an actor. But the two boys said, oh no, we cannot act, ma'am. Something like that. But when they, you know, mga teenager na sila, so we tried both of them. That's why we able to take them here, and then pinakilala namin kay Derek
Neil Tan.
Ronaldo.
Ronald Carvalho.
Ronald Carvalho. And then introduced to Tito Boy Palma. And then they met, and then they helped us to get into Star Magic. You know, to study acting. And then, naka 3 years si Kevin, si BJ hindi nagpatuloy.
Si Kevin lang.
Oo. And he said, no, I can't do it, Mom. Let Kevin do it. So, after 3 years, parang napagkakitaan siya na may potential siya sa acting. So, it happens na Derek Neil Tan had a script na about drugs, and the title is Addict. So, Tito Ed Littlefield asked me if I can be a producer of the movie. I said, okay, I will try, but because Kevin, I wanted Kevin to, you know, to be an actor and try.
Na-build up siya.
Oh, and then, because I really wanted him to see in the big screen. So, that was just my imagine.
Anong taon po ito, madam?
I guess,
That was 2017.
Okay. Sige.
Happy kayo sa result ng movie.
Yeah, happy kami ng result ng movie because at that time, we're on the drug war during President Duterte administration. So I wanted to help
The kids.
yung mga drug addict na they have a second chance, na hindi lang nasabi nag-addict sila, patayin sila, this and that. They have a second chance, you know, to change and to
reform.
become a good
And new
person.
life.
Yeah.
Sino po ang mga artista dito?
Ang artista
Sa
dyan, starring is, of course, my son, Kevin Poblacion, and then Aramina, Rosana Roses, Lisa Lindugan, Gino Lostri, Eagle Riggs.
Si Eagle.
Eagle Riggs is there, and then Maggie Campbell, and then one of the guy that passed away already. Forgot.
Dalawang year, sa action.
He's an action star.
Opo.
Yeah.
Tapos ngayon po ay pinagkakaabalan yung screening niya muli. I-screen niyo po siya, ganun pa ba? Sa mga schools?
So now, because I decided to retire na,
Opo.
I want to focus now in this movie.
Oo.
Anong trabaho mo dati, no?
There, I was working in the facility as a nurse assistant.
Nursing assistant.
Nursing assistant, yeah.
You are a registered nurse.
Yes. Yeah. So, I decided to, you know, just to concentrate to this movie because parang, you know, the drugs is parang bumalik na naman. So, I wanted to help, you know, sa mga bata na ipalabas talaga ito because it's an advocacy film. It's about drug awareness. So, yun, we're working on the Department of Education, DepEd. The DepEd Davao, we're okay, we're already approved. And then Iloilo, we're already okay. So, we're decided to do it on January.
Ang ibig
showing.
ang ibig sabihin niyo po, madam, nung approved na ipalabas sa mga eskwelahan sa lugar na yan.
Public and private, but in high school.
Kasi
High
bagay
school.
talaga sa
It's in high school to
Okay.
college. You know, we're rated R16 and TRCB.
Oo.
That's our rating. R16.
Hindi niyo po sinali sa mga festival, inikot abroad, tinangka niyo po ba yun?
We did one time in Vancouver. I showed it in cinema to our friends only, but I really don't have time to really explore around Canada. But I'm licensed to show. They're really waiting for it to watch. But because Canada is so big, you know, we have no time. I was busy working. But this time, when the school is not, you know, closed, pwede ako makabalik doon, and then we're gonna go to its provinces to explore the movie as well in Canada. But we're gonna concentrate in schools here first
Ah.
para, you know,
What about in cinemas, ma'am?
yung cinema,
Hindi pa.
Wide release, kumbaga.
wala pa eh.
Basta schools.
Sa schools
Yes,
muna,
yes,
kasi
yes,
yung
yes,
cinema,
yes,
it's a
in
little bit
schools.
expensive. And we don't have the source of, you know,
Saka hindi mo alam kung
advertising.
babalik. Hindi mo alam kung babalik.
Advertising ba? Kasi mahal.
Advertising.
Plus yung cinema, mahal din ang bayad
Yes.
per screening.
50-50.
So, I'm thinking maybe we'll do it in school para mabawi mo na yung ginastos. Plus sa school, hindi masyado magastos kasi we're just gonna do it in their auditorium. But we're working on the government sector. Si ma'am, yung kanina, yung nag-serve sa atin, at saka yung pinsan ko, they're working on the mayor office. So they're working on to partner with their programs and then partner with SM.
Mm.
So they're working to show it in cinema, SM Iloilo, and then the kids will go there.
Madam, ayaw nyo na mag-produce ulit. Mag-produce
After
ng
this
bago.
I guess
Hindi pa
once this
napakalabas.
addict, you know,
After Ali.
yeah, I guess we will do again because once you see the movie, everybody say we want Addict Part 2. Yeah.
So, maaari pong magka-part 2.
Maaring magka-part 2 kasi there's so many questions. What happened to Ramina? What happened to ano? Kasi at the end of the movie, parang marami pang mga question ano nangyari kaya doon. Ganun. So,
Kevin will be the lead pa rin.
yeah, Kevin will be the lead. So maybe we're gonna do some different scene. Maybe here and in Canada. Kasi Kevin in the movie, he was si Lisa
Lindogan.
Lisa Lindogan. Nakapunta rin siya sa Canada in the movie. And then Kevin, same, parang taglis siya doon. But I guess the relationship of the mother, Lisa Lindogan, did not work with a Canadian guy. So they came back in the
May
Philippines.
na-encounter ba kayong nanloko sa inyo sa showbiz?
Oo, mayroon.
So, parang ano yun? Inaano nyo na lang? Nakamubo na kayo?
Oh, nakamove on na rin kami. Parang lesson learned na lang. Yeah, a lot. That's why I'm kinda discouraged.
Kasama si Daddy.
Naka-discourage
parang
before.
milyon yata yun.
Dami.
Oo, kumuha sa inyo.
Yeah. But
Parang
I said,
kilala ko- parang
it's
kilala ko yung kumuha.
parang, I said, it's okay.
Paano pong loko?
Ah.
Paanong loko?
Parang ano, yung talagang pera-pera lang, tapos parang walang result.
Kasi kami, siyempre, hindi namin alam yung ano, no? Siyempre, kami
Minsan
padala
out.
ng pera. Hindi
Yeah.
namin ano. Basta hiningi nila, binibigay namin.
Binibigay
So,
namin.
Bali may project po sana kayo na gagawin.
Tapos na, pero
Ito na yun yung Adi.
Kasi yung pinag-uusapan niyo po ngayon, may project ba
Malaki.
dapat na hindi natuloy?
Hindi naman. Natuloy naman yung
Ito na yung
eh,
Kaya
kaya,
may mga kinuha yatang pera na
Parang yung ano,
hindi na-audit.
parang Preston, parang ano, 5,000 yung hiningi, pero binigay lang sa Preston 2,000. Parang ganyan. Pero something like that.
Oh, tapos mga pictorial
sa
lang.
pictorial lang.
Pictorial
yan.
sa Baguio.
Sa Baguio.
And
So,
then,
mga 300,000.
300,000 just for
lang,
pictorial.
di ba?
So, huli ko na naisip. Sabi ko, pictorial, pwede
So,
naman
imagine.
mag-pictorial.
Grabe namang pictorial yun.
And then the whole crowd went. So, siyempre, pinamasayan ko na everything. Hotels and this and that.
So, pinasa Diyos nyo na lang, parang ganyan.
Sa amin, bali, wala na yun.
It's okay na yun.
Kasi
At
sa
least,
amin, okay lang
importante.
naman, you know.
Importante, nagawa
Sa
yung
akin,
movie.
pera lang naman yun.
Yeah. Pero sa person na
Kikitain
yun,
pa namin.
wala naman talaga siya.
Ilang buwan lang namin yun.
Sa person na yun, Daddy,
Oh,
hindi talaga rin nakapagbigay ng project kay Kevin.
Yeah. hindi
Kami
talaga
pa
na-
talaga ang naghanap kung paano makabuo si Kevin ng title na mayroon siya. Kahit na aalis man siya sa showbiz, at least may nakatatak sa tao
Adi
na
is Kevin
na,
Kevin
you
is
know,
Adi.
Kevin Poblacion made an addict
Yes.
movie.
Mm.
Yun. So, medyo mahirap noon kasi syempre malaking halaga din this and that. But I said it's okay as long as we can help
Mm.
sa more
Basta
kids
you
na
learn your
mag-inom.
lesson na, di ba? Na, na, alam niyo na kung anong dapat gawin.
Wala bang
Yeah,
trauma,
then
ma'am?
hindi na ha.
Hindi ba na-trauma, sir, ma'am?
Hindi naman, kung baga sa ano,
We're
babalik
just,
pa rin kami.
We're
Produce
just,
pa rin kami.
we're
Produce
really
pa rin kami.
upset lang.
Saka dapat right
Pero
person
we
na
move
talaga
on,
yan.
you know.
Hindi pa naman.
God is good anyway to, you know, help us all the way na nagawa yung addict in spite of the fact na may nanloko, gano'n. I guess, I don't know, sabi ng mga sa showbiz, natural lang daw yung mga ups and downs, this and that, niloko ka, gano'n, gano'n.
Especially if you're a new producer.
Oo, at saka hindi kami kilala. So, I was thinking na sana, ano, yung, hindi, sinali pala namin sa Manila Film Festival.
Ang addict.
Oo.
Oo.
So, sa rating doon sa loob, number 3, no?
Number 1 kami sa, number 1 tayo sa the first day, right? Tapos,
Oo. Tapos, naging number 2,
number
3
two,
steady.
number three.
Tapos, nung
sa final, wala
sa
na
final na
kami.
hindi lumabas yung addict.
Upset si
So,
Director
sabi niya, Direk
Neil.
Neil, sabi niya, bakit nahuli yung addict? Sa preliminary na mga rating.
In the running.
Addict is on the first or second or third. Nung ipalabas na yung final na kung
Wala
sino
na.
na ang mag-parade, wala na yung addict.
Taka nga kami.
So dahil
Politicking.
siguro hindi ako kilalang producer, I don't know.
Because ngayon makikilala ka na naman na, di ba? May question
Yun
ba,
ang
Jo?
ano,
Yeah, gusto ko talaga ipasali sa Manila Film Festival sana.
Madam, bakit po ang first time producer kayo dito sa Pinas, love story talaga ang patok, pero pinili niyong gumawa ng advocacy movie.
Advocacy film.
Bakit ganun?
May experience kasi ako sa Canada rin na one of my son, the oldest son, Brian, got na-involved din sa, alam mo naman, drugs are everywhere.
Mga bad influence.
Yung mga marijuana, this and that. So, of course, me and my husband were so busy working. And mga bata, dalawa lang sila sa bahay. So, doon ko lang nalaman nung umuwi kami na he's selling marijuana pala
in school.
in schools and in the other corner dyan, madaling araw. So, he wasn't home. So, I was scared. Sabi ko, hindi pala maganda talaga itong drugs na to. So, it happens na after a year yata, doon na nag-umpisa na mag-aaral si Kevin, being an actor. Tapos, nag-timing din si Derek Nilton after na makatapos si Kevin sa Star Magic. Doon na nag-open yung about drugs na addict, na gagampanan niya ang addict. So parang nag-flashback sa akin na, ito na siguro na makakatulong ako sa mga bata na nalulun sa drugs. Kasi nga I've been there. So I want to help out na mag-eye-opener sa mga bata na the use of drugs is not good for you. Yeah. Kaya mayroon akong experience personally about drugs na yan. Kaya nagawa kong gumawa ng movie about it para maka-help out ako sa ibang tao.
Madam, meron, medyo maiba lang po ako. Siyempre yung manonood nito, sabihin, gusto ko din marating yung narating nila Madam at ni Sir. Pwede niyo pa bang ikwento kung paano kayo umasenso? Ano yung turning point? Ano yung buhay niyo dati? Kasi kung titingnan nyo, ang laki-laki ng mansion. Ano po ba yung, were you always this blessed?
Kailangan sipag at saka may plano ka sa may plano ka talaga kung paano mo palaguin yung buhay. Kasi kung wala kang plano, wala mangyayari sa iyo, ganun na lang dala ng pera. Kailangan medyo matipid ka rin, matyaga.
At saka, we experience being poor. Na yung walang-wala ka talaga, alam namin yun. Kasi we're from Iloilo, we live in the farm. We grew up in the farm together. So I'm the oldest, and he is the one that really working in the farm. So that's why I struggle to finish school, even though my parents doesn't want me to go to school. Kasi sabi niya mag-aasawa ka lang rin naman. But because of my other brother helping na sa bukid, this and that, so I able to finish education. So after that,
Pero hindi pa po ganito. Hindi pa ganito ang buhay niyo. Okay.
And then it happens na I have an aunt living in Canada. So I'm not the favorites of all, but the all favorites they tried, hindi nakapasa sa immigration. So I guess God is good na napili ako huling-huli. So I passed everything. So ako ang unang nakarating doon. But in spite of that, jealousy, family, this and that, I helped one of each of them. Anyway, lahat ng mga tiyain ko, bawat isa kinuha ko mga anak para walang inggit. So, I do all the processing. Ginamit ko ang programa ng Canada, how to get there. And then in my side were 7 of us. So, ako lang nakatapos. Tapos, when I get there, pinaaral ko yung bunso. 2 lang kaming babae. So, 5 ang lalaki. 5 boys, in between, namatay yung isa dahil sa lupa, binaril. So, 4 lang natira. So, wala rin silang pinag-aralan dahil nga, nung namatay yung kapatid, high school lang, nakita talaga nila na kung paano pinatay. Na-trauma sila, hindi sila nag-school. So, ngayon, ang pinaaral ko yung 4 na mga hipag ko. Yung mga babae, yun ang ginapang ko. So, ngayon, kinuha ko sila pa isa-isa, yung 4. Kaya natangay.
Canada.
Oo.
Bali, ano po ang nagpabago sa kapalaran nyo na doon na nagsimulang mag-boom? Ano, negosyo po ba?
No,
Sipag lang.
we just work. We work 2-3 jobs.
Empleyado po?
Yeah, we just
Empleyado.
employ.
In Canada.
In Canada.
What about you, sir?
Yeah,
Ako,
he's working
nasa gobyerno ako eh.
sa
Sa
school
school,
board.
at saka sa nursing home din ako. So, dalawa
In
trabaho
Canada as
ako.
well.
In Canada as well, yeah.
Pero hindi po
We work too hard.
talaga. So lahat po to salary lang?
Salary.
Yeah,
Ah,
salary
talaga?
lang ito, and then all our salary for 30 years. We live there for 37 years. But the 30 years, it's all our family first.
Yeah.
My
All
family,
the
his family. And then nung nakatapos na sila, nakarating na sila sa Canada, we concentrate our own house. 5 years lang ito.
5 years to be.
5 years
Oo,
in the
5 years in
making.
the making lang. Our salary lang talaga. Wala talaga
Kasi
kami
in 10 days, $10,000 ang inuuwi namin every 10 days.
Every 10,000
$10,000 a month.
Ba't po ang laki?
Sa akin lang yun.
Sa inyo, ayun ang sir. Hindi, ayun nga, ano pong work? Nurse ba?
Yeah.
Ah,
But
kaya.
ano naman yun, talaga namang you work like sa
Talks,
24
ano
hours,
na,
7
oo.
days a week.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Di ba kayo, ma'am? Di ba
yung,
teacher kayo? Ba't kayo naging...
kasi,
When did you become a nurse?
yeah, hindi ko na napatuloy kasi medyo, doon, in demand doon ang sa healthcare.
Medical,
In demand doon sa
Nag-shift
healthcare.
ka sa
Yeah,
nursing.
ganun ka lang sa
Yung education, you did not finish, then you shifted sa
Sa nursing na, kasi yun ang medyo
In
in
demand.
demand doon na trabaho. So we just work hard, working lang talaga. But after, just for 5 years, ito lang napundar namin, sa sweldo lang namin talaga.
Meron po kayong mga ibang negosyo ngayon?
Negosyo ngayon, no,
Ito
before,
pa talaga.
during COVID, na-stuck kami dito, na-stuck siya while working sa bahay. Nag-grocery kami, doon sa kabila, ito, restaurant ito. Yeah.
But
It didn't last, maybe less than a year. Oo, kasi sabi ko, mahirap din, parang
Kasi
nag-isa lang
hindi
siya
ka-
dito, I was in Canada.
Oo, kasi pag di mo personal talaga nagkukuha
Yeah.
yung business.
Yeah,
At saka,
so parang hindi niya
ang
passion.
kino-compare ko kasi, yung kikitain namin sa Canada at saka dito sa
Wala.
tubo-tubo lang,
Oo.
kunti lang, di ba?
So sabi ko sa
Doon
kanya,
Dollar lang, dollar.
10,000 na.
Dollars yan.
10,000 pesos dito.
ang
Yeah.
Sa isang buwan.
10,000 pesos na bill niya.
So,
Sa
one share
hours.
to,
Ah,
and then meron kayong event space, di ba? Usapan
So
natin.
now, ito na, lumaki siya. Before, we only plan to have 1 floor. Tapos sabi ko, bakit gawin na lang 2nd floor para, aywan ko, para magic nga siya eh. Hindi ko nga maintindihan, wala kaming engineer.
Parang magic.
Kami lang dalawa, nag-drawing. O, ikaw, first floor na tayo, 2nd floor, ano itsura, ganun lang.
Ibig sabihin kayo nag-plan
Kami nag-plan.
everything?
Panday lang, at saka
So,
kami.
walang interior decorator.
Wala, siya lang.
Ang galing mo, daddy, ah.
Siya lang nag-ano
Nakapagbilid
nito.
ka talaga.
Oo.
So,
So,
how is your event space? Maganda naman yung resort.
Okay naman yung taga dito, pero wala pa talaga kaming gina-explore sa social media na ano. Yung taga dito alam na, ganun.
So yung silang nag-ano sa iyo, tutulong.
Oo, oo. So mayroon
Events nila.
dyan sa second floor, ginaupahan ng church. Ewan ko kung it's
Worship
Worship.
place.
Second
Yeah.
floor.
Doon sa kabila kanina. Oo. So every Sunday. So I said, okay, that's good. At least there's a word of God coming.
Pag retired ka na, hindi ka na babalik ng Canada. Si daddy na lang.
Ay, hindi na. We're both retired na.
Ah.
Nauna nga siya mag-retired sa akin eh.
Hmm.
So pabalik-balik lang siya while nandito para tutukan talaga yung mga panday. Ako, I'm still working, padala para mabuo ito, ganun. And then he went back there. He stayed for another year. Sabi ko siguro this is good enough kasi naka fourth floor na tayo, magbubong na yung
Tama lang.
rooftop. I guess it's about time to go home. And then we'll do the attic na.
Meron po ba kayong tinuturing na nagdala sa inyo ng, like kanina napansin ko nga yung sa labas, ano, so inisip ko, meron ba kayong mga tinuturing na ritual or superstitious beliefs na tingin nyo nagdala sa inyo ng swerte?
Yeah, I guess, you know, the help of our God, Jesus. Yeah. Kasi parang nanaginip talaga ako na,
Kaya nandito talaga sila.
oh,
Ano
na
po
gusto na dyan sila.
Gusto nila
Dati
dyan
si
sila.
Mama Mary diyan kasama at saka si Ninyo. Tapos parang may nagsasabi sa akin gusto niya umakyat doon sa taas. Kaya nadala ko siya doon. Yung grotto niya walang plano yan doon eh. Oo. Parang nasa fourth floor na parang nag-visualize na lang na ano, aakyat siya doon. Siguro para ma-look after niya yung buong bahay. I don't know. Kasi we're very devoted Catholics.
Pati yung nilalagyan ng pagkain.
Yeah, kasi ang lolo ko, famous albularyo sa Iloilo. But they immigrated in Canada, you know. So, dahil may parang si lolo, parang may power din siya na healing, mga may sakit, lahat-lahat. Parang well-known siya doon.
Pero wala
So,
pong mga sing-sing na sinusuot na nagpapaswerte o kumukonsulta sa feng shui, wala pong ganun.
Wala naman, siguro we're the favorites. Favorites kasi siya ito, at saka ako rin. Oo.
Hindi kasi nung bago
God bless
kong
them.
ginawa itong bahay, talagang inuna ko yan. Nung inuna ko yan, parang
oo.
Magaan.
parang
Oo,
magaan,
sunod-sunod
parang
na siya.
dire-diretso talaga yung ano
Oo.
namin. Wala nang tigil sa
Yeah, hindi ko
paggawa.
nga akalain na kasing taas pala.
Kasi inuna ko talagang kinuha ko pa yan sa Quiapo.
Oo,
Ah,
yung
sa
pagpisa namin.
Oo, yung pagpisan ko, lahat.
Saka, ang tawag dito, we're really, kasi,
Religious.
Religious.
Get religious.
ito number one.
Juan, thank you. Salamat ng marami sa...
Bali ang aabangan pong sa January yung
Oo, sa
adik ay
Iloilo.
sa Iloilo at Davao na? Davao ba?
Yeah, we're gonna start in Iloilo,
Iloilo,
and then Davao, and then Cebu. We're working on Manila. I'm still searching who's gonna help me to penetrate the deep end in Manila. Ganun.